Today we'll look at one of Adobe Illustrator's new features, Objects on Path tool. This tool allows you to effortlessly align and distribute objects along any path, making your designs more dynamic and efficient. First, let's make a path. The pen tool can be used to create a straight or curved path, while the pencil tool is used to draw freehand lines. Simply click and drag to create your desired path. Don't worry if it isn't perfect, you can always change it later. Now we'll add the objects we want to place along the path. I'll use some simple shapes that are prepared ahead of time, but you can use any vector object. With your path and objects prepared, make a selection around the objects, then pick the objects on a path tool from the toolbar. We'll go to Object, Object on Path. Once the tool is active, we simply select our path and our objects will be aligned along it. Let us have a look at the contextual taskbar settings. You'll see options for positioning your objects on the path. You can position them to the left, centre, right, top or bottom, or any of the corner attachment points. As you make changes, the objects will quickly relocate, allowing you more control over their arrangement. Spacing is critical to establishing a balanced appearance. Use the spacing slider to adjust the distance between each object. You can configure the spacing to be even or change it by changing the slider. This allows you to easily construct patterns or arrange objects evenly. You can also reposition objects separately by clicking the handle in the centre of the object. The orientation choices let you determine how things face along the path. You can set them to follow a path which rotates each object to match the path's curve, or you can fix them at a preset angle. Experiment with the different elements to see what works best for your design. One great feature is real-time updates. As you change the shape of the path, the items automatically realign themselves along it, allowing you to customise your design without having to reapply the effects. And that is how to use the Objects on Path tool. Now you know how to utilise this tool. Try it out in your own projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.